Welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're reviewing what is arguably the best GPS tracker collar for pets currently on the market, the Tractive Smart Cat GPS Tracker. This isn't just another tech gadget for your pet. It's a game changer, especially for cat owners who know how elusive and unpredictable our feline friends can be. With Tractive's cat-specific GPS tracker, you're not only getting real-time tracking, you're gaining peace of mind, insight into your pet's behavior, and an extra layer of safety. Let's start with the standout feature: real-time GPS tracking. Once attached to your cat's collar, the Tractive tracker gives you live location updates every 2 to 3 seconds. So if your cat slips out the door or decides to go on an unscheduled neighborhood adventure, you can follow their exact path on your phone using the Tractive app. Now, speaking of the app, this is where the Tractive tracker really shines. Through the app, you can set up what are called virtual fences. These are safe zones like your home or backyard. If your cat crosses that boundary, you'll get an instant alert. It's a powerful feature, especially if you live near busy roads or wooded areas. This isn't just about locating your cat, it's about preventing something bad before it happens. And it doesn't stop at location. The Tractive tracker also provides wellness monitoring. You can track your cat's activity levels, how much time they spend resting, walking, or playing. Over time, this data helps you understand your pet's habits and detect any sudden changes that might indicate illness or stress. Another impressive element is location history. You can see exactly where your cat has been throughout the day, and over several days. It's like reviewing your pet's secret life outside the house. Some users have discovered their cats visiting the same neighbors every day or hanging out in totally unexpected areas. Now let's talk design. The tracker comes with a breakaway collar, which is a vital safety feature for cats. If the collar gets caught on something, it snaps open to prevent choking or injury. That means even in an emergency, your cat's safety is prioritized. Battery life is solid, with up to 5 days on a full charge depending on usage and cellular reception. Charging is straightforward with a magnetic USB cable, and it only takes a couple of hours to juice it back up. And yes, it's waterproof. Rain, puddles, sprinklers, none of it is an issue. Whether your cat is lounging in the garden or sneaking through a hedge, this device is built to keep working. It's important to know this tracker requires a subscription for the cellular connectivity that makes real-time tracking possible. But the service is global, which is perfect if you're traveling or relocating. Finally, let's talk size and comfort. The device is small and lightweight, designed specifically for cats weighing over 6.5 pounds. It's secure yet unobtrusive, so your cat barely notices it's there. So, should you buy the Tractive Smart Cat GPS Tracker? If you want the most reliable way to track your cat, monitor their wellness, and set up safe boundaries, this product is a clear winner. It's more than a GPS. It's a full suite of tools designed to keep your furry friend safe and healthy. That's our review today on Product Critique. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more deep dives into the best pet tech and gadgets. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.